and welcome back to my channel. My name's April, and today I'm going to share with you guys my 3 Scentsy Clubs that came in. Yes, you heard right, my 3 Scentsy Clubs. So I have my 2 quarterly clubs. One is actually my husband's and the other one is mine, and my monthly club. My bi-monthly, I skipped this time up, so you'll see that one coming up in April. So I know you're going to say, oh my gosh, April, that's a lot of wax. Do you really need all that wax? And you know, I kind of do. Some women like shoes, some women like jewelry. I happen to like wax. In fact, I love wax. So enough jibber jabber, let's just jump right in and I'm going to show you guys some wax. So first up, I'm going to go ahead and share with you my quarterly club. And it's in this box right here. And it's mostly bars and then my half off item because it was definitely more than $60. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to just go ahead and show you guys what I got. So first up, we have Mandarin Moon, and I fell in love with this scent in this past Bring Back My Bar in January. And I was actually really surprised because I didn't think I was going to like something like this, but I actually love it. It's so good. There's just the right amount of spice and lots of orange, and I am such a fan. Next up, we have Huckleberry Sage, and this is one that I keep teetering with. I'm not sure if I really love it or not. I warmed it once and it was really, really light. When I smell it in the clamshell, it's kind of stronger, so I'm going to give this another go. I do have some backup bars also, so yeah, I'm not sure how long this is going to stay. If it will perform well or better for me, maybe I'll try it in a different room. Then I'll go ahead and I'll keep it because I do like this scent. That is Huckleberry Sage. One that I absolutely love is Birthday Wishes. It's absolutely fantastic. This is just a really great vanilla cake with frosting. I love it so much. I'm so glad that I put this in my club. I actually have it in multiple clubs. Okay, next up we have Red Pear Pomegranate, and this was in the catalog last spring summer, and it did not come back this spring summer, so I'm very, very happy that I put that one in my club. I love that scent. Peeling Apple. This is another one from last year. It was a former scent of the month. I think maybe in April or May, somewhere around then. It's a really great apple scent with a tiny little bit of floral at the end, just to finish it off. It's really fantastic. We have another Bring Back My Bar from the January Bring Back My Bar session, and that is Coconut Cotton. This is one that I don't know if I love it or not. It's like I love the coconut and the cotton scent I like, but I do get a little bit of the citrus, and I'm not sure how long I'm going to keep this in my club, but for now it's going to stay, and that is Coconut Cotton. Next up we have You're the One, and this was in the Valentine's Day collection, and this is a really great cucumber melon scent. Yeah, it's really nice, so that one's going to stay for a while. Something that will stay forever and ever, amen, until the day I die is Aloe Vera and Ivy. This is probably my #1 favorite Scentsy scent ever. It's like melon. Delicious, juicy, watery melon. Oh, it's so fantastic. And in fact, I actually have 2 in this club. I love it. I don't want to be without it. We have Down the Aisle. This is a really nice bedroom and bathroom scent for me. I'm a huge fan. I love it. That's going to stay. Graduation. This was in the Moment by Moment collection. I love that one so much. It's just a very interesting, unique scent. Nothing that I've ever smelled before, and I love it. So that, oh, it's so good. That is definitely going to stay, probably forever. We also have Pink Haze. This was in the last Bring Back My Bar. I love this scent so much. I have it in multiple clubs. We have Bora Bora Blossom from this past Bring Back My Bar session. And this was a Scentsy Club exclusive scent, and I love it. So I definitely put that one into my club. We have Cherry Limeade, also from the past, bring back my bar. And this is a really great key lime, zesty cherry scent. I love it. It's fantastic, and I think it's going to be great for the summer. We have Sweet Pea and Vanilla, and this was not this past bring back my bar, but the one before that, and this is just a really nice, beautiful scent, and oh, I love it. We also have Simply Vanilla from this last bring back my bar, and this was a different kind of a vanilla scent. It's not really bakery, it's not really body care, it's just simply vanilla, exactly, and I love that one. I also have Caramel Pear Crisp. This was a Scentsy Club exclusive bar this past bring back my bar session, and I don't know how long I'm going to keep it in my club, but it's a really nice, definitely get the pear. It's almost like the Jumpin' Jelly Bean pear with some caramel notes. I do like it. So I don't know, it's going to stay in for a while, at least so I can get a nice little stockpile going on. We also have, oh, I love this one, Blue Agave and Melon, and this was in this last year's summer collection, and oh my gosh, this is probably, it's probably like a top 5 scent for me. I love it. It's so good, and it's a very good performer for me. We also have Shimmer from this past bring back my bar, and oh, I love this one. It's sweet apricots and sugary scent. Oh, like, it's delicious. We have It's Love from this past Valentine's Day collection, and this is still available. And I actually warmed this today, and oh my gosh, it is such a good fruity floral scent. It's fantastic. I love it. And so far, it's been a really great performer. We have Just One Bite from the Disney Villains collection, and I love this one. It's just the right amount of apple and spice, and oh, it's fantastic. I have Maui Mist from this past bring back my bar, and this is a really nice, interesting, unique, somewhat floral, but I don't know, something else. It's really hard to describe. But it's so good. It's very creamy and delicious. I don't think it has coconut, but it gives me coconut vibes, so I love it. We have Blueberry Rush from this past bring back my bar, and I love this one. This reminds me a lot of Aladdin 3 Wishes, which I also have in here. It's very similar, slightly different, but I love them both, so they're both staying in my club, because we really don't have a whole lot of blueberry scents that come in, and I love them both, and I couldn't pick just one. We also have Banana Nut Bread, and this one, it's good. I don't know if I love it or not, but I do want to give it just a little bit more time to see how I feel about it, so I did put that into my club. Don't know how long that's going to stay. We have Sugar. Oh my gosh, I love this one so much. It's like perfumey cotton candy, and it's beautiful. So good. And this is actually a really good performer for me. And finally, we have Banana Berry, and this was in the Easter collection last year. I had it in my club, and I took it out, and when it came back this past bring back my bar session, I put it back in. This is a really great, fun, fruity banana strawberry scent. And for my half-off item, I picked up a Scentsy Air Purifier filter from my Purifier, which is right back there. And that's what's this box for my monthly, or I'm sorry, my quarterly club. Okay, so now let's do my husband's quarterly club. So this one is mostly scents that were in the fall winter catalog that we're retiring. So we have Vanilla Mint, and I love this one so much. It's just the right amount of mint, a little bit of frozen citrus, and it's fantastic. It's actually something that I feel like I could warm year round, and I did put that one into my bi-monthly club too. Next up, we have Dancing Sugar Plums, and this one is just such a great plum. Slightly spicy, but very sweet scent. It's so good. That's Dancing Sugar Plums, and it's a really pretty purple colored wax. We have Silver Bells. I love this. This reminds me of candy canes. It's so good. Minty, sweet, candy-like. I love it. It's a really great performer for me too. We have Sugar Cookie because this one was retired. That was a shock to me, so I definitely wanted to get this into my club. I love it. I love it on its own. I love it as a mixer. I'm not a huge bakery fan, but this one I do love. It smells so good, just like sugar cookies baking in the oven. We have Berry Blessed, and this is really one of my favorite scents as well. It's bright, it's juicy, there's a bit of tartness, but sweetness still. I love it. It smells so good. I really hope that this comes back next year, or I guess later this year in the fall winter catalog. Winterberry Apple Tea, an absolute love and staple of mine. Another Aloe Vera and Ivy because I love it so much. And another Aloe Vera and Ivy because I love it. Arctic Kiss. This is a really great year-round scent in my opinion, so I threw that into my club, or my husband's club. We have Cozy Cardigan, a really great, fantastic, beautiful, it's kind of a rose scent, but not crazy rose scent. It's not like old lady smelling. It's just beautiful and sensual, and I love it. It's perfect for the bedroom. Cashmere Corduroy. Oh, love this one so much from last year's fall winter catalog. And finally, Polar Bear Hug, which used to be Eskimo Kiss. And this is a really great scent. This is fruity and a little bit of kind of haziness. I think it's like blackberry jam, and oh, it's so good. So that's it for the wax in that one. And I picked up another Scentsy Air Purifier filter for the other air purifier in my son's room. Okay, so now we are on to my monthly club. And this is the club that will kind of fluctuate. Just depends on what I'm feeling. If I want to add something in to kind of get a few more extra bars, or, you know, if I want to do like a really quick stock up on something. So these are the bars, and I'll really quickly go ahead and show you guys what I picked for my half off item. I picked up the Whiff box, and I will definitely do another video on that and show you guys what's in here. But let's do the wax. So I picked up Birthday Wishes, and this is one that will always stay in my monthly club because I use a lot of these bars. I love it. It's one of my favorite bakery scents for sure. We have Simply Vanilla. Actually, I have two Simply Vanillas because I wanted to stock up on them, and I will probably keep these in my monthly club too because I love it so much. We have 3 Shimmers because I wanted to stock up, and I love this scent. I don't know if I will keep 3 in my monthly club, but I think I will probably keep 2 in for sure, always. I love it. We have a Bora Bora Blossom. We have 3, yeah, 3 sugars because this is a staple for me. I'll probably keep all 3 in my club. Monthly club. And finally, 3 Pink Haze because I fell in love with this scent and it's fantastic and it's going to be a staple for me. I can definitely see myself going through a couple bars a month of this. So there you have it. That is my 3 Scentsy Clubs that came in this month. It's a lot of wax, but you know what? I'm going to go through it. I love it. I love wax and it brings me joy and it makes me happy. So there. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know how many clubs you guys have. Do you have 1 club, 2 clubs, 3 clubs? Do you not have a club? What are you putting in yours? How do you use yours? And yeah, Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.